Hi everyone. I am coming to you from my kitchen, and I'm sure all of you can share the love of being confined in your home. At first, it sounds kind of nice, and then the more you do it, the less nice it feels. But we will muster through it together. I wanted to share with you today a way that you can use your software that comes with your MindTap online textbook to record videos. Since we will no longer be able to meet in our classrooms or for me to be able to record videos at my office, we are transitioning to an entirely online format, which means that we have the capability to record videos on our computers. So if you have a webcam built into your computer or your tablet, or if you have a separate webcam that you can set on top of your computer, or you can also use your cell phone's camera and recording capabilities. All of those will work. I will tell you that it's probably more streamlined and the file size will be a little bit smaller if you use the built-in webcam within your camera than if you use your phone, because the file size might be pretty big, but that will work. It will also obviously work better if you have a speedy internet connection. So I'm not sure where all of you are coming from as far as where you're living and what your internet quality is like. Hopefully, if you don't have great internet connection at home, you might have a friend or family member who does, that you're not afraid to get out and see. I am letting you do these videos as a separate assignment individually, partially because you all have already technically delivered 2 videos in front of live audiences before. That is the minimum requirement for these speech classes. So you've already done that, one with your speech one and then another with your reader's theater. So we're going to have you doing your remaining speeches, just recording them and posting them to the software. When you post those videos to MindTap, once you're posted, they will be viewable to the rest of your classmates and myself. And then you will be randomly assigned a couple people to provide feedback on their videos too. So I will be providing you grades and feedback within the MindTap software. Within this software, I'm able to record a video back to you, which makes it kind of nice. And then your classmates can also provide you some feedback and written comments too. So I wanted to just quickly show you what that software looks like. So I'm going to go, you'll see in Blackboard, I've done some rearranging and I've called all of the folders here on out new. Just it helped me as I was reorganizing and moving deadlines back. So all of the new folders mean that I have been in them and altered the dates. But I know that you have a speech due the very last week of class together, which will be the last day of class we have will be Wednesday the 20th, and that is when your final tribute speech is due. So in order to submit your tribute speech or the other speeches that you are submitting, you're going to look for an icon that looks like this. This represents that it's MindTap, and usually it will have the word or verb present in front of it. So in order to present this speech on your recording software, you click that link. So it will then take you to MindTap. Remember, if you're using a different device than normal, you might have to enable your pop-up blockers so that Cengage is showing you what you need to see. So this will take you to a screen that allows you now to create your assignment. And so if you want to, you can take a look at the rubric here, but when you're ready to start recording, you're going to click add, and it's going to ask you what kind of a file or project you are doing. And for this, you will tell it that you want to record a video. So you can here either record it live using your webcam, or you can upload a video should you say record it on your phone. You choose which one you want to do, and then you tell it to record, and it will then, ask you, is it okay if we use your microphone and your camera? And you will then record it and submit it. So that's kind of what the software looks like. Yours might look a little bit differently than mine. Once you have submitted your video and posted it, you're going to go back into it for your next 2 speeches, speech 2 and 3, and then provide feedback to people's videos. I won't ask you to do that on this last one just because we won't have enough time for that. But that's a little bit of an overview of how you will record videos and speeches in this class now that it is online. I think it's pretty simple, straightforward software. I have written on each of the assignment areas that please don't wait until 11:50. I've set all of your deadlines to midnight, but depending on file size and internet speeds, those files can load pretty slowly. So if you're waiting till the last minute to upload, you might not get it uploaded in time, and then it would be considered late. So I would advise you to maybe do a test run or take a few hours before the deadline. Hopefully you're not staying up till midnight anyway, but maybe you're not doing it any later than 7 or 8 at night on the day that it's due, just so that you have plenty of time to make sure the files are loading correctly. If you need to call Cengage and ask for their help if something is going wrong. They will be better resources for you for technical difficulties like that than I will be. So keep those things in mind as we move forward. If you do have any issues with equipment or internet speeds or anything that is of concern to you as we move from an IDL or ITV class to a purely online class, please do let me know. I will be adding more materials within these folders as we go throughout the weeks, because not all of them have the materials that I want to include yet for some of the content we'll be covering, just because I haven't recorded it yet. So it's kind of bare bones right now. All of your MindTap assignments, though, are linked for weekly assignments, as are your week by week. If you have like a pre-writing due or a journal due or a discussion, all of those are there. So hopefully that is of help to you. As always, if you have questions, please let me know, and I look forward to hearing from you and seeing your smiling faces in your upcoming videos. Take care, be safe, and let me know if you have any questions.